Human Rights Watch has accused the Syrian government of deliberately destroying thousands of residential buildings, in some cases entire neighborhoods. They say it was a campaign that appeared to punish civilians sympathetic to the opposition. The industrial sector of the country is also suffering from dramatic disruption. Our correspondent in Damascus, Alaa Ebrahim, has more on the consequences of such destruction.
This is the public cable company, or at least it used to be. It is hard to believe that this was once one of the biggest cable manufacturing companies in the Middle East. The once 2,000 workers factory was destroyed when rebels moved in on the area that is located east of Syria's largest city, Aleppo.
The terrorists destroyed this factory like most of the infrastructure of the country. They stole the small machines and burnt the ones they couldn't dismantle. Like many of Aleppo's factories, the machines were stolen and sold to Turkish businessmen. This factory was famous for having the highest salaries, supporting over 2,000 families. And now, nothing.
The cables company is one of many destroyed businesses, all contributing to the staggering $2.2 billion of losses sustained by the Syrian industrial sector, according to official figures back in 2013.
The $2.2 billion number was released back in September by the Ministry of Industry. Now the estimates go up to $4 billion, with hundreds of factories and establishments going out of business.
In and around Aleppo alone, more than 250,000 workers lost their jobs because of the fighting. Most of Syria's industries were located in rural areas near big cities like Damascus, Homs and Aleppo, the same rural areas that have become the front lines of war between the Syrian army and the opposition militants. Here in the Syrian Ministry of Industry, they are under no illusions. They understand that the damages inflicted on the Syrian industrial sector because of the war are irreversible in many cases. It's not just the buildings nor the machines, but also the expertise. The picture in Damascus may be less grim than it is in Aleppo. But when we remember that the war-divided city that was once home to over 5 million residents was the economic capital of the country, then we would realize that the picture is grim, not just here in Aleppo or in Damascus, but for the whole country. Alaa Ebrahim, CCTV.